Hey everyone, what's up? Today we are going to learn about the list in Python. This is the part 1 and the second part I will upload after this first one. So in part 1 we are going to learn about the total of 8 topics. First one is features of list. Second, creating a list. After that we will learn how to access data using positive and negative indexing. Then change data value in list. After that, fifth topic will be look through a list. In this we will learn how to print the list using the for loop. Sixth topic of our video will be checking if item exists in a list or not. Then get the length of a given list, and after that at the last we will learn how to add item to a already created list. Features of list in Python. List is ordered list, so the insert sequence of the data is maintained by the Python in list. List is mutable type of data. It means we can modify the list after creating it. We can insert, update or delete any data from the list. Data fetched by the index value in a list, because sequence is maintained by the list in a Python. So the data of the given list we can fetch by the index value. We can define the list using the square brackets. Square brackets are used to define the list. Duplicate values are allowed in the data. Now let's learn how we can create a list. A list can be defined using a square brackets. Data in a list is separated by comma operator. A list is one type of array in Python. In Python, we don't have any array, so the list is used as the array in a Python. Now, as an example, we can see here new list is a variable and we are storing a list in the name variable new list. Now here you can see that Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday are the elements of the list and they are separated by the comma operator, and we are using square brackets at the starting and the ending of the all elements. So this will be defined as the list, and when we print the new list, then we will get the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday as an output with the square brackets, because Python considered this as a list. Accessing data in a list. In Python, we can access the list data items by referring to the index number. Index values start from the 0. Ending index value of a list will be length of the list minus 1, because the index value is starting from the 0. In example, we are having a list named new list and it is having 3 data items: Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday string. Now when we want to print the value of the second index value, then we are using it as a in a print statement, new list of second item. So when we start from the 0, 0 is having 0 on 0 index value, there is the Monday, then first one having Tuesday and the second one is having the Wednesday. So we will get the output Wednesday as the new list of 2. Like this we can access data from the list. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means it begins from the end. In negative indexing, -1 refers to the last item of the list and -2 refers to the second last item of the list, and so on. Here we are having a list named new list and it has the items Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Now when we use negative indexing, -1 is referred to the end value, which will be the Wednesday, and the -2 will have the last second value, which is the Tuesday. So we will get in our output Wednesday and Tuesday as the output of new list of -1 and new list of -2 respectively. Range of indexing. We can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Colon is used to separate starting range and ending range in a list. The return value will be a new list with the specified item of the range of indexing. Now, in this example, we are having a new list as a list which is having the data items Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday as a string. Now, if we want to print from index value 1 to 4, then we are using new list of 1 to 4. Starting index will be 1 and ending index will be 4. We will get the output Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday because on index value 1 we are having Tuesday, and after from that we want to go to the index value and index value 4. So it will print Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Here you can see that index value starting is included in the output and the ending index value is excluded from the output. So you can say that starting index is included in a list and ending index is excluded from the list. So you will get the output Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, which are having index value 1, 2 and 3 in it respectively. Now when we don't assign the starting index and we will leave it as it is empty, then it will consider the starting index as 0, and if we don't give the ending index and leave it empty, then it will consider the last element of the list. So here I am not in second code I am not assigning starting index and ending index will be the index value 2. 2 will be excluded from the output. So we will get starting from the Monday because the starting index will be 0 when we don't assign it. So the output will be Monday and Tuesday, and on second index value is Wednesday, which will be excluded. Now in third one we are not assigning the ending index. So we are starting from the third, which third index value is Thursday, and from Thursday to end of the list, which means Thursday, Friday. Here we need to remember that the first item has index 0, starting index will be included in the list, ending index will not be included in the list. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the list. We saw all these points in an example. Range of negative indexing. If we want to start the search from the end of the list, we can specify negative indexing. The last item has index value -1. Starting index will be included and ending index will be excluded, same as positive indexing. Now here we are having a variable new list which is having Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday as the data item of the list. Now when we print new list of -3 to -1, it will count from the end of the list. So -1 will be have the Friday. After that Thursday will have the index value -2 and -3 will have Wednesday. Here starting index will be included, so -3 will be included, which means that Wednesday will be included, and from the Wednesday we want to go to -1, which means Friday. Because we are using negative indexing, so we will start our search from the end. So -3 and -2 will be -2 index value will be printed, and -3 and -2 index value are having Wednesday and Thursday as their data, and -1 Friday will be excluded because it won't be there in a list, in an output. Change data value in list. To change the value of a data item in a given list, we need to refer to the index number of the data whose value we want to change or update. By referring the index value of that data, we can directly give the new value to the list to store it on the given position or on given index. Here we are having new list as a list, and we want to store the Sunday at the place of 0 index value. 0 index value is already having a Monday as a data item, but when we write a code like new list of 0 equal to Sunday, so it will simply update the first element and Monday will be updated as a Sunday. So Python will remove the Monday and place the Sunday at the position of 0, and we will get the output Sunday, and after that same as the list, which we will get that Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday in an output. Like this, we can change the data values in a list by using its index value. Now loop through a list. We can loop through a given list by using the for loop. We will learn about the for loop in our further lectures. Now for now, let's see the example. We are having new list as a list. Then we are giving a new list to a for loop for I in new list. So the I will take one by one all data from the new list and then print it. We will get the output Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in a particular line. Here the data from the new list is fetched by the if by using the for loop and printing it. Now let's check if data exists in list or not. To check if the specified item is present in a list or not, we can use in keyword or not in keyword. Now here we are having a new list which is having some data in it. Now we want to check Monday is present in a new list or not. So we are putting a if condition and using in keyword to check if string Monday is present in a list or not. Our list is named as new list. Now if Monday in list, new list or not. If the condition will be true, then it will print Monday is in a new list, or else statement will be printed. Now Monday string is present in the new list, so the condition will be true and Monday is in a new list will be printed as an output. Now if we check Sunday is present in a list or not, then Sunday is not as a not present in a list as a data item. So the output will be Sunday is not in a new list and the else statement will be run. Length of the list. To know how many items are in a list we can use the length function. Name of the list will be given as an argument of the length function. We already learned about the length function in our further videos. Now let's simply go through this. We are having a new list as a list, and new list is the variable name for to store which is storing our list, and we are having few data items in that list. Now when we print the length function and give the new list as an argument of the length function, we will get how many data items are there in a list, and here we are having 5 data items, so we will get the output 5. As like this we can see how many data items are there in a list. Now our last topic is add items to a already created list. To add an item to an already created list, we can use append method. Append method will add the data to the end of the list. To add an item at the specified index, we can use insert method. Here in example, we are having a new list. When we want to append any item in the list at the end of the list, we can simply use append method, and as an argument the whatever we want to add in a list, we simply give it to the append method as an argument. So here we are having a Saturday string as the data item for our list. So new list dot append, and in bracket we are simply writing Saturday. So when we print the new list, we will get the output which is having the Saturday as the end value of the list. So we can say that append method will add at the end of the list. When we want to print any value at a particular position, we can use insert method. In insert method, as an argument, we need to give the first on which position we want to add the item and what we want to add, which value we want to add. So insert method will take 2 arguments in it. Now we are here going to print Monday. We are going to insert Monday at the position 1. It means index value 1. So at second position Monday will be inserted by using the insert. So the output will be like Monday. Here you can see that Monday is inserted at the position 1, which is indexed at the position of 2, and the index value will be 1. If you liked my video and think that it's an informative and you gained any knowledge about the Python, then like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for this video or any other video, then please reach to me by using the comment section. And thank you for being with me for this much time. Thank you.